Hey, this is Janie with puppylovesme.net, and today I am going to read As an Oak Tree Grows. So sit back and get comfy. On a sunny, late summer day, a young boy planted an acorn in the ground. Right here. 1775. Guess that's the year. Later that year, an oak tree sprouted up from the earth into the air and light. Each fall it will shed its leaves, and each spring new ones will grow. (1775). This is 1800 now. The boy grew up and moved away. Farmers now lived here. They cleared the hillsides where forest once stood. The wood was used for building and to burn in fireplaces, but the oak tree was left standing. The oak tree, this is 1825. The oak tree had room to spread wide and grew upward and outward. Sometimes snow was very heavy, and a branch would break off. This is 1850. As the oak tree grew, everyone and everything was on the move. Children grew. Some stayed to work on the farms, and others left to work in factories. Large engines rumbled along steel rails. Birds perched in the oak tree to rest from long migrations. Some stayed and made new homes, and others flew on. More people arrived and built new homes and buildings. (1875). Some years little rain fell. Hills and fields were dry where trees had once stood and shaded the ground from the sun's rays. The oak tree's roots reached far underground for water as its leaves wilted. Farmers conserved what little they had for thirsty livestock until the rain fell again. Electricity came through wires that were strung over hills and through valleys. It powered street lamps and homes. The land twinkled with lights as stars faded in the night sky. This is 1900. 1925. The oak tree grew slowly and steadily while all around its life sped by. People rode in cars to go to work and visit friends, to go shopping, or just out for a drive. (1950). Soon the air was filled with jet contrails and radio waves, and sound waves of beeping cars, barking dogs, zooming motorboats, whistling trains, and music. The oak tree, 1975. The oak tree is 200 years old. It has shed its leaves and grown new ones every year. Animals, birds, and insects have made homes in its folds and holes and branches. 200 years old. The oak tree, with its strong roots, trunk, and limbs, has survived many storms over its lifetime. Now a fog rolls in and a big storm is on the way. This is year 2000. The storm is powerful, and the oak tree is split in two. It does not survive the storm. Wow. People come to look where the great oak tree once stood. The tree is cut into pieces to be used for furniture, firewood, and mulch. That's it right there. They're taking logs off. A new day dawns. Once again, the ground is warm and welcoming as a new oak tree grows. There's the tiny baby one. The end. So go out and plant the tree. Have a great day.